If I could find a way to see this straight and run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. What? Life's too short to even care at all. No, come on. Coming up now, out of that blue wall. Zombies in the park, they're looking for my heart. Whoa, yeah. A dark world exposed, flash of the sun. Whoa, if I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. Waiting for this cough syrup come down. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa. One more spoon of cough syrup now. Whoa. Whoa.
God bless you. That was awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Oh my God. Pick me, please.
I'm not sure how I got up here, but I'm literally scared to get down. That has nothing to do with
Well, hot damn. Who the hell are you?
My name is Matthew Schuler.
I am the coach for you.
No, I am.
My wife and I sit at home and we watch the blind auditions. And when she sees you, she is going to love you. And if she sees you pick me that night, you see what I'm saying? That could really be helping a guy out.
I gotta say, man, like, your voice is beautiful. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Blake has a winning formula here at The Voice. But you gotta ask yourself, do you wanna be a member of a team or do you wanna be an owner? I can help you own yourself.
That's a very interesting proposition, CeeLo.
Okay. I just jumped for joy. You know, we all turned around right away. And to see the joy and the passion with which you sing, dude, like, that's the best part. Man, I don't have 800 victories like that dude over there who's due for a loss. Hey, after 3, you gotta lose one. But I will tell you, man, I know for a fact that we can win this together. I know we can do it. This is a big one. This is the big one that I have to get. Have to get it, have to get you.
Thank you so much, man.
You know, Adam is great. He's a great sales pitch. I'm coming back with refreshed ears. I want to take this thing home. Adam just wants to, you know, chill and relax. He's been through this many times.
Yes, he has. You're right about that, Christina.
Thank you, Blake.
Absolutely.
See?
Yep,
This is a winning chair.
That's right.
He's feeding me good vibrations, even though
Wait a
he's
minute, don't
against
take my
me
vibrations
right now.
away. No, stop. Stop it.
Look, you guys want to go with the guys and the whole thing. I get it. But please break that cycle. Let me be the first female coach to win this thing. I am on your side. Please.
Who's it gonna be? Come on, Matt.
Come on, who's it gonna be?
You know what to do, bro.
Yo,
No,
yo, Matthew.
I got you.
This is your time, bro.
Just being in the same room as you guys is an honor. But I feel like my heart is telling me that I gotta go with Christina.
Damn it.
I have been waiting for you